Hello. Hello, this is Maita. Kamusta po? So, let me reintroduce myself. Ako po si Maita Castillo, originally po from the Philippines, of course. Nagtatagalog tayo. So, galing po akong Philippines, tubo punta Batangas. Pero lumaki po ako sa Las Piñas, and now I'm based here at Henderson, Nevada. So I want to start this journey of a Filipina stay-at-home mom. I want to document or share my journey as an entrepreneur. So, meron po akong multiple home-based business at yun po ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo. I used to have in this channel, meron po akong mga series of old videos na baka gusto nyong mapanood. And I want to start over again. So, I've been a stay-at-home mom for 10 years now, and running my businesses dito po sa bahay. So before, I used to resell at third-party sellers sa Amazon and eBay and Poshmark. And then nag-pause ako for a while. Siguro last kong naging active sa reselling nung 2020. Yeah, so I started 2017 and then nag-stop ako nung 2020 during the pandemic, the global crisis, kasi hindi tayo pwedeng lumabas, hindi ako makapag-source ng inventory ko, hindi tayo makalabas. So nag-stop ako noon, and then ibang business naman yung ginawa ko, digital business, since hindi nga tayo pwedeng lumabas that time, So medyo napatigil ako sa pagiging reseller or e-commerce. I've been doing the digital business for almost 5 years. And then recently, napag-isipan ko to go back to reselling at the same time as my digital business. So ayun, kaya I wanted to start over with also my YouTube channel. So I could be sharing my journey as a reseller. So nag-start ako last week. So now nag-open ako ng account to be a seller sa Poshmark and Vinted and eBay. So far, I've been listing my products sa Poshmark and Vinted. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-start sa eBay. I probably will do just cross-posting para less work for me. Pero pinag-aaralan ko pa siya. So, it's been over 5 years, kaya pinag-aaralan ko siya ulit. I'm sure madami nang nabago sa pagre-resell. So, back to learning. And so, ayun, pero nag-start na ako last week, and so far nagkaroon na ako ng 5 sales since I started. So ayun, hindi ko siya na video. I'm kinda still, in the process of getting everything together. So, but yeah, here I'm starting. So, ayan, abangan po ninyo yung mga susunod ko po na video. If you wanna learn or get an idea how to sell online, please do follow my channel. It's Midas Touch. At saka po, ano bang matuturo ko sa inyo for this first video? Well, I'm starting to list yung mga item na meron na ako dito sa bahay. So, kung meron kayong mga damit or sapatos, bags, or mga lumang laruan ng mga anak ninyo that it's still in good condition, and if you think na meron pang pwedeng makinabang dun sa mga gamit na hindi nyo na ginagamit pero maayos pa siya, lalo na yung mga damit ng mga bata, they easily outgrow yung mga damit nila na mga isang beses pa lang nagamit, or if you have like clothes na mga ginamit nyo sa events na isang beses nyo pa lang nagamit tapos hindi nyo naman nagagamitin, ganun. You could turn it into cash. Tsaka kaya ko rin naisipan to start reselling again. Ito pong bahay namin is 5 years old, and since nung lumipat kami, we accumulate more stuff. So, kailangan ko na rin na mag-declutter, magbawas ng mga gamit. So, why not turn it into cash? I-resell po ninyo sa marami ng platform ngayon to resell your pre-loved items. Tapos, yun lang, kailangan nyo lang po siyang picturean, and then list it sa platform of your choice. So, tapos bibigyan nyo lang siya ng mga description. So, in the next few videos, turuan ko po kayo para naman maging valuable itong ating pong video. So, yun po. So, this is just a quick introductory video, and I hope to see you again next time. Please follow my YouTube channel, Midas Touch, and I'll see you again next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.